Hello, this is Daniel Gulo, the Joseph S. McAuliffe Curator of the Malta Study Center at the Hill Museum and Manuscript Library. And on behalf of Father Columbus Stewart, the Executive Director of HMML, and John Meyerhofer, our Systems Librarian, and STG, our Programming Partners, I'm pleased to take some time to discuss some of the new features and additions to vHMML, which are part of our grant as awarded by the National Endowment for the Humanities. And today we'll be talking about some of the improvements with search. So over the last few weeks we have upgraded our search engine. We use Elasticsearch as the underlying software to run our search in vHMML, and in particular for Reading Room. So one of the things that we've done with regard to Reading Room search, if we go to vhml.org and click on Reading Room, and click on our nice user agreement, we can see a couple of the major changes, and one of them is going to be associated with our name field. The name field doesn't simply search authors, but it also searches associated names, former owners, artists, and scribes. So it really is a name field. And if one is interested in looking for Joseph II, the Patriarch of the Chaldeans, one can simply type in the name Joseph II, which is really nice to find the author you're looking for. But most importantly, we've added this nice new feature when you go to the description of the manuscript and you look at the contents, and we see the author here, Joseph II. You'll notice he's now in blue, and that's because all of our authority records for authors are now internally hotlinks. So if I click on this, you will now find all of the records associated with this author. And you can see that we have 46 records, or 46 manuscripts associated with Joseph II. A second feature that we've changed for the moment is the inclusion of an upgraded title search. So if we were going to search by title, it's important to note that title not only searches the main title of a manuscript, but it also searches the uniform title field, alternate title fields, and the contents detail field, which contains title information. So if I was searching for the title of the famous Latin author Augustine of Hippo and his renowned work De Civitate Dei, I can type that into the title field and you will see it appearing there as part of the uniform title. And this is what's great about uniform titles, is that these are also now hotlinks. So anything which has a uniform title in our database is now connected. So if I click on this, you'll note that we have 12 manuscripts in our collection, some microfilm, most microfilm, of the De Civitate Dei. And so if we go into that link, you can see that there it is, and we click on that again, and it of course brings us back to 12 manuscripts. It's useful here to think about our sort feature in the upper right corner. You can sort by date, you can sort by country, city, and repository. So if I was looking for the oldest manuscript in our collection, we actually have a 10th century manuscript of the De Civitate Dei, which is located in the Real Academia de la Historia in Madrid. So these date searches can be really important for you. And then remember that if you're finding these and you like them, you can save the ones you like to your list, and then go back to your list, find them there, and then you can email individual ones to yourself or export them. Oops, you have to select the ones you want to export, and it'll export them to a file to wherever your exports go, whether that's to the desktop or the downloads file for your computer. So that's our brief introduction to upgrading. We have a brand new search engine which should increase the accuracy of your results, and we've also implemented this wonderful new way to search by author and uniform title. Thank you.